Installing R is not difficult. Let me show you. The first thing to do is to go to your favorite browser and in any search engine type R CRAN. CRAN is a comprehensive R archive network. When you type that, you see that the first link is CRAN R project. This is where most of the resources for R are hosted. So you click on this link and you arrive directly to a page, download and install R. You have different operating systems. Obviously, for those of you working with Windows, you click on download R for Windows. You arrive to a page where you have several options, but you have to install R for the first time. So you click on it, and you see that in bold, you have a download with the number of the latest version available. So you download that archive. That should go directly to your download system, to your download folder on your system. It takes a little bit of time. And here we go. We have the file downloaded completely. And it's an exe file, an executable file. So meaning that when you click on it, it will execute the install program. So let's click on it. A window appears asking you which language you want. So you have a choice of different languages. Here I pick up English. Another file with you accepting the general public license. You should go next, and from here you should apply and use the default of what is asking. So, do you want to install and which location? Yes, you agree with the location. Which file? You select the component? Yes, you click on next, you agree with that. Startup option, you agree on that because you will not use R per se, you will use R through RStudio. So let's apply all the defaults. You will install a shortcut, which is nice. And then you will have a version, anything, and then you install R. Everything will be embedded in this installation, including the manual, some helpers, and obviously R itself. It's quite fast. You finish, and congratulations, now R is installed on your system. The next step will be to install RStudio, and you, after that, will be all set.